Let's learn and grow. E. E is for eagle. Let's make a flying eagle. Now let's color it. We'll begin with yellow for the eye and add a tiny touch of orange. Next, we will color brown carefully in the wings and body. Let's leave the head and tail white. Let's color the beak and talons or claws orange. We'll even add a touch of brown for a cool shadow. Black in these sharp nails. And after blending, this is amazing. Looks like it's ready for action. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.